Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern, rust-colored shipping container home, situated in a desert landscape. Hyperrealistic rendering of a two-story structure with a large expanse of floor-to-ceiling glass windows opening onto a covered outdoor patio area. The exterior of the container home features a rich, burnt orange rust-colored metal siding. The patio features light gray furniture, a dining table and chairs, and a potted plant. Inside, through the glass, a kitchen and living area can be seen. Pale earth tones, beige, pale gray and green for plants. Dusty desert landscape, sparse landscape with desert plants like grasses and cacti are present surrounding the home in the foreground. A bright, sunny day with a partly cloudy sky, with light, fluffy clouds. A vibrant, slightly impressionistic, yet detailed rendering of a small, modern container house nestled high atop a mountainside. The container is dark navy blue, with a green roof garden and solar panels. Warm, golden-hued light streams from the interior, showcasing a cozy bedroom area with a bed and some plants. The deck surrounding the container is light brown wood, with various potted plants and flowers arranged around it, including yellow, purple and green foliage. The background displays a beautiful mountain landscape, with rolling hills and peaks rendered subtly in shades of purples, blues, and pinks, typical of a sunset or dawn time. Forests of various shades of green and muted brown are interspersed through the scene. There are visible details in the landscaping, including rocks and stone pathways. A rustic, charming, small house with a covered porch, set on a grassy field. The house is constructed of corrugated metal siding, with a weathered, warm-toned wooden frame and porch. The roof is a muted gray metal. The porch has a raised, wooden platform and steps leading up to the double doors, which are a dark, aged wood. Decorative planters with flowers, reds, purples, and other natural tones, and small potted plants are arranged around the porch. Comfortable outdoor armchairs are placed on the porch with a casual, homey feel. The scene is sunny, but soft, with the distant, slightly blurred background of tall trees and a field of golden grass. The overall impression is warm and inviting, somewhere in the countryside. A modern, light brown wooden modular home, nestled in a snowy winter landscape. The home features a two-story design with large windows showcasing an interior living space. The exterior is clad in vertically laid wooden planks, accented with black trim around windows and the roofline. A deck, with wooden stairs leading down to the ground, stretches the length of the home, visible through sizable sliding glass doors. The deck is also covered in a layer of snow. The surrounding landscape is a wintry scene of snow-covered ground and trees, with muted grays and whites. The overall aesthetic is hyper-realistic, capturing the details of the architecture and the texture of the snow on both the house and the surroundings. A stunning, hyper-realistic view of a luxury, multi-level wooden villa nestled amidst lush tropical greenery. The villa, with large, floor-to-ceiling glass windows, boasts a modern, minimalist design, constructed from dark brown wood beams and supports. A large, turquoise-green swimming pool, with a low, stone-tiled edge, sits below the deck of the villa, extending out into the vibrant vegetation. Relaxation areas with cushioned, light beige sun loungers surrounding the pool invite guests to unwind. A wooden patio area connects to the interior of the villa, including a dining table and chairs under a beige umbrella. Beyond the villa, rolling, mountainous landscapes are clothed in vibrant emerald green forest. house nestled in a lush forest setting. Hyperrealistic rendering. Dark gray exterior walls with large windows showcasing a spacious interior with a contemporary Japanese aesthetic. Natural wood tones and warm lighting are visible through the glass. A large, rectangular pool with a waterfall features prominently, extending the sense of tranquility and reflecting the surrounding greenery. The grounds are landscaped with various tropical and Japanese-style plants, rocks, and gravel. Rich greens and grays dominate the color palette, with subtle warm accents from the interior lighting and pool water. A modern, minimalist, glass-fronted house perched on a rocky, coastal cliff overlooking a dark blue ocean at twilight. The house is a two-story structure, built with dark gray concrete and large expanses of clear glass, providing unobstructed views of the sea. The house's design is angular and sleek, and it appears to float slightly above the rocks. The interior is softly lit, indicating light within. The textures of the rocks and water are visible, but the overall impression of the image is one of serene tranquility. Impressionistic/hyperrealistic, with a focus on mood and atmosphere. Includes subtle water movement, rocky shoreline, and the interplay of light and shadow. A cozy, modern container home nestled in a snowy forest at dusk. Hyperrealistic, impressionistic. The container home is dark gray metal with warm, golden-toned interior wood paneling. Large windows showcase the interior space where a wood-burning stove is blazing brightly. Warm, inviting light spills out onto a snowy deck area. The snowy forest surrounds the home, with snow-covered branches and trees. The colors are muted with deep greens and browns of the forest, illuminated golden yellow by the light coming from the warm inside of the cabin, and hints of white from the snow. A modern, light gray, and white floating house on a calm lake at dawn or dusk. The house has a flat, green-covered roof with solar panels. The exterior is a light gray/white, with horizontal, light gray/white panels. Large windows on the side of the house face the lake, allowing a view of the water. A wooden deck extends from the house out over the water, with comfortable light gray lounge chairs. The surrounding area has lush greenery, trees, and a calm, dark gray/blue body of water. Hyperrealistic, with a soft, tranquil mood. Reflecting the lighting and the house in the water. The sky is a light pastel sunrise/sunset color. Trees and plants provide a natural backdrop, creating a sense of peace and harmony with nature. A serene, tranquil Japanese garden with an indoor-outdoor living space. Mid-journey, hyperrealistic style. A paved patio area with a shallow koi pond, featuring vibrant, orange and red koi fish swimming among lush green lily pads. Large, smooth, gray stones are scattered throughout the garden. A bamboo screen partitions the garden area from the modern, light brown wooden interior with...
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.